welcome back to our channel. I'm Angela with the Nice Rock Shop at 311 Broadway, historic downtown Paducah, where positive energy works. Diving back into the theme over the next few weeks, we're continuing our journey to explore alternative ways to help bring up the vibes in your home and your life. In last week's video, we discussed 5 alternative herbs that you can use for smudging. And today we're going to be continuing our talk on smudging and smudge sprays, which a spray is a great alternative if smoke is just not a great option for you or your home. I'm so excited to continue to help you learn more about alternative ways to help smudge and clear your energy in your home or space. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of these episodes. So thanks for tuning in. Let's get into it. Today, we're going to be talking about a super easy and convenient way to clear your space, a smudging mist. And the best part is you can make this right in your home and most likely with any ingredients you already have. So before I teach you how to make your own smudging mist, I want to talk a little bit more and dive into smudging. Smudging is a traditional indigenous people's practice using white sage to help clear out energy and help promote healing. It's a wonderful way of helping clear out negative energy in your space. However, sometimes it just isn't practical, especially if you live in an apartment or you have small children or animals and it just doesn't make sense. And that's where a smudging mist comes into play. Smudging mist is a great alternative to burning herbs because it is safe, convenient, and just as effective. So here's how you can make your own smudging mist at home. First, you'll need a few basic ingredients like a spray bottle, distilled water, some witch hazel or distilled vodka. I've got witch hazel with me. And optional, you can do essential oils. Today I have peppermint, lemon, and frankincense. And you can also do some crystals. I have a rose quartz and an amethyst here. And I'll talk a little bit more later about why I chose these specifically for my smudging mist. You want to start by filling up your spray bottle 3/4 of the way with your distilled water. Then add a tablespoon of your witch hazel or your vodka. I'm eyeballing it because I didn't bring a tablespoon in with me. That looks about right. Adding the witch hazel or the vodka just helps the mist distribute a little bit more evenly. Then you can add in your favorite essential oils for the scent and the extra benefits. So I'm going to add a little bit of lemon, some peppermint, and some frankincense. So here's where you can get even more creative. Besides adding in your favorite essential oils, you can add in some crystals that will also enhance the benefits of your smudging mist. So like I mentioned, I'm going to put in a rose quartz and an amethyst. The rose quartz is for love and harmony, and the amethyst is for peace and intuition. So you may also want to add in some clear quartz for some clarity and amplification of your smudging mist. So you'll simply just drop your crystals into your smudging mist and then close up the lid. Once you're finished putting everything together, close up the lid, make sure it's on tight, and then give it a shake and make sure everything is mixed in together. And that's it. Now you have your own smudging mist. You can definitely smell that peppermint. So now that you have your own DIY smudging mist, you can use this whenever you need it. To use your mist, just spray it around your space with the intention to clear out any negative energy and to promote positivity. I also recommend, like you would to burning an herb, open up your windows, and if you really want to go extra, open up all of the drawers and everything that has any potential ability to trap an energy. So that's like going the extra mile, but that's not necessary every single time that you smudge. It's more of a deep smudging, if you will. You can even spray it on yourself, and this will help promote healing and clear your aura. So essential oils have been used for centuries for their healing properties and is a great alternative to white sage for clearing out spaces. So essential oils are extracted from plants, and then the oil that is rendered is used for its unique scent and the therapeutic properties. Many essential oils have properties to help clear negative energy and promote positivity. To use essential oils, just simply pick ones that resonate with your intentions. Some popular essential oils to clear negative energy in the space include lavender, sage, frankincense, peppermint, and lemon. You can use those essential oils in your smudging mist or in a diffuser. As you use your diffuser or your smudging mist, just imagine any negative energy being cleared away and being replaced with positive energy. In addition to clearing negative energy, essential oils are used for a lot of other benefits as well, such as promoting relaxation, removing stress, and enhancing a positive mood. So even beyond a smudging mist or in a diffuser, you can use essential oils in a salt bath or massage oils, and sometimes what you could even do is just simply put some in the palm of your hand, rub it together, and then smell. It is important to caution when using essential oils because sometimes the ingredients are a little bit more harmful than others with the skin and can be a little bit irritating. So if you are going to put them on your person, it is recommended to use a carrier oil such as jojoba. Never ingest essential oils unless guided by a qualified professional. So essential oils are an effective and powerful alternative to using white sage. They are easy to use, have beautiful scents, and can be used in a multitude of ways. So by adding essential oils into your practice, you're going to be adding a sense of calm, relaxation, and positivity into your daily life. I don't know about you, but sign me up. Let me share a little bit more about my favorite essential oils to use in the smudging mist. So essential oils not only smell great, but they have very powerful healing properties. So first up, we have lavender essential oil. So lavender is known for its calming and soothing properties, making it perfect for relaxation and reducing anxiety. Then next up, we have peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is wonderful for boosting energy and promoting clarity. It's perfect for those little daily pick-me-ups. Next up, we have frankincense. This is one of my all-time favorite essential oils. You can tell because I'm almost out of it. Frankincense has been used for centuries, promoting grounding, clarity, and connection to the divine. And then last but not least, we have lemon essential oil. Lemon is a powerful cleaner and purifier, making it perfect for clearing out negative energy and for promoting positivity. So there you have it. You've got your own smudging mist to use whenever you need it. And I don't know about you, but I had a little bit of fun and that was super easy. Give it a try and let me know how that works for you. If you enjoyed watching this video and learning how to make your own DIY smudging mist, we really would appreciate if you would hit that like button and then of course, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and then you'll be notified, especially since we're taking a little bit of a deep dive into alternatives to using white sage for smudging. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.